7 chia seeds mistakes you're making right now and how to fix them. Chia seeds have gained immense popularity in the health and wellness world thanks to their rich nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, antioxidants, and essential minerals, making them a superfood worth adding to your diet. However, many people unknowingly make mistakes when consuming chia seeds, which can lead to digestive issues, reduced nutrient absorption, or even health risks. To make sure you're getting the most out of these powerful seeds, here are 7 common mistakes people make with chia seeds and how to fix them. 1. Eating dry chia seeds without soaking. One of the biggest mistakes people make is consuming dry chia seeds without soaking them first. Chia seeds have the ability to absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like consistency. Why it's a problem, choking hazard. If you eat dry chia seeds and then drink water, they can expand in your throat, leading to a potential choking risk. Digestive discomfort. Dry chia seeds absorb water from your stomach, which can cause bloating, cramps, or dehydration. How to fix it? Always soak chia seeds before consuming them. A good ratio is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 1-2 cup of liquid. Let them sit for at least 10-15 minutes before consuming. If you prefer a pudding-like texture, soak them overnight in milk, juice, or yogurt for a creamy and delicious consistency. 2. Not drinking enough water. Since chia seeds absorb large amounts of liquid, they increase fiber intake significantly. While fiber is great for digestion, it can also cause constipation if you're not drinking enough water. Why it's a problem. Fiber needs water to move through the digestive system smoothly. Without enough water, chia seeds can cause bloating, gas, or constipation. How to fix it? Drink at least 8-10 glasses of water daily when consuming chia seeds. If you notice bloating or constipation, increase your water intake and start with a smaller amount of chia seeds before gradually increasing your intake. 3. Eating too many chia seeds at once. Chia seeds are extremely nutrient-dense, but overconsumption can cause digestive distress due to their high fiber content. Why it's a problem. Eating too many at once can lead to stomach pain, bloating, diarrhea, or constipation. The daily recommended fiber intake is 25-30 grams, and just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 10 grams of fiber. How to fix it? Start with 1 tablespoon per day and gradually increase to 2 tablespoons once your body adjusts to the fiber. If you experience digestive issues, reduce your intake and drink more water. 4. Not grinding. Chia seeds for maximum absorption. Chia seeds can be eaten whole, but their nutrients are better absorbed when ground. Why it's a problem. Whole chia seeds pass through your digestive system without being fully broken down, meaning your body may not absorb all the nutrients. Similar to flax seeds, grinding chia seeds makes it easier for your body to access their omega-3s, protein, and antioxidants. How to fix it? Use a coffee grinder or blender to grind chia seeds before consuming them. Add ground chia seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baking recipes for a nutrient boost. 5. Storing chia seeds. Incorrectly. Like other seeds and nuts, chia seeds can go bad if not stored properly. Why it's a problem. Exposure to heat, light, and air can cause chia seeds to lose their nutritional value and become rancid. Consuming rancid seeds can lead to inflammation and digestive issues. How to fix it? Store chia seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, like a pantry. If buying in bulk, store them in the refrigerator or freezer to prolong freshness. Properly stored chia seeds can last up to 2 years. 6. Only using chia seeds in drinks. Many people limit their chia seed consumption to chia water or chia pudding, missing out on other creative ways to use them. Why it's a problem. You're missing out on variety and potential benefits from different preparation methods. Some people don't enjoy the gelatinous texture of chia pudding. How to fix it? Try incorporating chia seeds into smoothies and juices. Add a tablespoon for a nutrient boost. Oatmeal and yogurt. Stir in for extra fiber. Baked goods. Use chia seeds in muffins, bread, or pancakes. Salads and soups. Sprinkle dry chia seeds for a crunchy texture. Egg replacement. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let sit for 10 minutes to create a vegan egg substitute. 7. Expecting chia seeds to magically cause weight loss. Many people think eating chia seeds alone will lead to instant weight loss, but that's not how it works. Why it's a problem? While chia seeds help with satiety, keeping you full longer, they don't directly burn fat. Some people overconsume chia seeds, thinking more will help them lose weight faster, leading to digestive issues instead. How to fix it? Use chia seeds as part of a balanced diet with whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Pair chia seeds with exercise and an active lifestyle for effective weight management. Eat chia seeds in moderation as a fiber-rich, nutrient-dense addition to your meals. Final thoughts. Chia seeds are an incredible superfood, but using them incorrectly can lead to digestive issues, nutrient loss, or unmet expectations. By avoiding these 7 common mistakes, you can maximize their health benefits and enjoy them safely. Key takeaways. Always soak chia seeds before eating. Drink plenty of water to support digestion. Start with small amounts and gradually increase intake. Grind them for better nutrient absorption. Store them properly to maintain freshness. Get creative with how you use them. Don't expect instant weight loss. Combine them with a healthy lifestyle. Are you making any of these chia seed mistakes? Try these fixes and let your health reap the full benefits of chia seeds.